Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve any problem that you have on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will search about the application of TikTok. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can wait and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.